Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing a little mini Lawn Fawn haul. So this is a set of supplies that I just ordered from Lawn Fawn, and this will mainly focus on their recent collaboration kit with Chibitronics, which is centered around this cute mice stamp set called Merry Mice, and I'm also going to be showing a card that I made with the kit. I actually have a separate video on my channel showing how that card that comes in the kit is made, and I'll go more into that later. For now, I'm starting by showing off some of the other things that I got in my order, and it's just a couple little things here. The first thing I want to mention is that Lawn Fawn sends these cute little notes with their packages and a little bonus stamp, which is really sweet, and the one that I got today was called I Like You, and it's just a nice little sentiment that could definitely fit onto a bunch of different cards. They also tend to send a few little extra pieces of pattern paper, and I don't know if they just do this in orders where you order pattern paper, because my order included other pads of pattern paper, but this is just a really sweet little bonus thing that they do as well. So I just got that yellow wood grain piece, and now I have this sort of fall, I think this is part of their fall nitpicky pad, and they just give me this one page here with the blue on the one side and the rainbow leaf pattern on the other side. And then I also got a piece of orange wood grain as well. So these are just 6 by 6 pieces, so 6 inches by 6 inches, and they are double-sided, so you can get a lot of use out of them, and that's just a nice little bonus. So I ordered a couple paper pads here. These are pattern paper packs. This first one is called Really Rainbow, and this is actually a stock up for me. I already own this pad, but I use it so much that I knew I needed another one to continue making cards with it because I love it so much. So these are 6 by 6 pads, so again 6 inches by 6 inches. And they come with 36 sheets and 12 different designs, which mean that you get 3 each of the 12 designs. So they come taped together at the sides there, so I'm just going ahead and taking my scissors and snipping off those little pieces of adhesive, and then I can flip through. So this pad contains some really bright and beautiful pattern papers, and you've got a bunch that are multicolored, so in that rainbow color arrangement, which is really beautiful, and then you've got some that are more single colored monotone, so like that blue page, got a really bright green, some pinks and some purples. And what I love about this pack is that it is just so bright, and I really like using these papers sort of as background borders, so I'll use them like as the border of my card and then kind of build a scene on the inside, so that's really nice. The next paper pad that I got was the Watercolor Wishes pack. And I've actually never had this before, but I've always had my eye on it. I didn't grab it at first because I figured like these are sort of just washed out watercolor patterns, and I figured if I wanted that I could just paint them myself. But then I've seen a lot of people using them, and it does seem really nice to sort of just have them at your fingertips. So you don't have to pull out your paintbrushes, you don't have to pull out your watercolors, you can kind of just grab this paper and it's already done. And you can kind of get the same effect, which is really cool. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different colors here too. It's the same thing as the other one where you get 36 sheets, 12 different colors, so you get 3 of each design. And they are really, really pretty. Okay, so the main focus of this video will be on this Chibitronics Lawn Fawn Merry Mice collaboration kit. So I was really excited when I saw this, and to explain, basically what this kit is a collaboration between Lawn Fawn and Chibitronics, which is a company that makes lights for paper crafting. So you can have paper crafts that light up, which is really cool. The point of this kit is to include enough supplies to make 1 card and 1 tag. And that will include all the paper that goes into them, as well as all the Chibitronics light up elements. And what's really cool is that you also get a stamp set and the coordinating dies, which of course you can reuse again and again on as many other cards as you want. So while the supplies that do make the cards and the tag are limited, so you only got so much paper and you only get so much tape and batteries and things like that, you do get the stamp set and dies, which will last forever. So I thought that was a really neat aspect to this kit. So the first part of this kit are the Chibitronics elements. So I'm holding up the lights, and you can see that they come in 2 sets of 3. So you're meant to use 1 set of 3 on the card and 1 set of 3 on the tags. It also comes with this roll of copper tape, and this is the tape that you'll use to make your circuits for the lights to light up. So this will connect the batteries to the lights. It actually comes with quite a hefty roll. I made the card so far, I haven't made the tag yet, but I certainly did not even come close to running out. And then you get 2 batteries, so again, 1 for the card and 1 for the tag. So that is the Chibitronics elements to the kit, and those are the 3 different things that you need to create your light up elements on your card. So the next part to this kit is the stamp set. So this again is the Merry Mice for Chibitronics stamp set. And this is a really adorable mini stamp set. You've got 2 little mice and a Christmas tree, and even a little stool for one of the mice to stand on so that they can be putting the ornaments near the top. You've got a couple presents, a few different ornaments, the star to go on top of the tree, as well as sort of the lights shining out of the star, as well as a few different assortments of sentiments. And you've also got the coordinating dies that will cut out all of these images, as well as sort of some of the key elements that go into making this card light up, which you'll see in my other video where I actually make the card. And that is just those small, tiny little circle dies that cut out little holes and allow the light to shine through. So what you do is you actually take those small little circle or star dies and you die cut the center of the star that goes on top of the tree or the center of an ornament, and that way the light can shine through and have it appear so that the star or the lights are actually shining. So the rest of the things that come in this kit have a lot to do with the elements that are used to make up the tag in the card. So you get a piece of twine that I think is used to make the tag, and then you also get these templates. And these are used to set up your circuits for the Chibitronic light up elements. You do get this page that tells you to go to their website to find out more instructions for the cards. So what I realize you have to do is you do have to go to that link that's shown on that page, and that will give you step-by-step instructions on how to use these supplies to make a card and a tag. Without those instructions, it's almost impossible to know exactly what each piece is meant to be used for. So I did feel like it was a bit unfortunate that they didn't include those instructions in the kit. It would have just been easier to kind of have them on your desk. Not everybody has a computer or a phone on hand and can easily reference them when they're crafting. So that was a little bit unfortunate, but they are there online. All you have to do is go to the website and you'll see everything you need. So the final part to this kit is just the elements that you need to make the card and the tag. So all the different papers. You've got a white card base, a piece of white paper for stamping on, and then a whole bunch of pattern papers that are mostly pre-die cut to easily just put them right onto the card. You don't need to do any die cutting or cutting yourself. You do need adhesive to glue all of these together, as well as ink to stamp out some images and a coloring medium to color them in. And for more information on all of that, you should definitely check out another video that I've got up on my channel right now, which is the video showing me making the card that comes in this kit from start to finish. So I don't make the tag, but I do make the card, and I follow the exact instructions as they are outlined on the Lawn Fawn website. And you can kind of learn some tips and tricks from me along the way. There were a couple things I did wrong, and hopefully you can learn by watching my mistakes and seeing what I did wrong so that you can do it differently on your card. At the end of the day, everything was reversible, so if I made a mistake, I just undid it and kind of went back, and it is a good way to learn as well, to kind of make the mistake and realize what you've done wrong and have to go back and fix it. But definitely go ahead and check out that video. Just go back to my profile and it should be very nearby. You can search Merry Mice, Chibitronics, and Lawn Fawn and it should pop right up, and you can check out how this card is made from start to finish. So the rest of the papers that come in this kit are just to make up the tag as well. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this short haul and unboxing video. This is a really neat kit, and the card that you make with it is very, very cute, and the light up element is just really unique. Like I said, check out that other video to see how this card comes together. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!